Oh, babe. Yes, now my wife's sleeping now. Okay, okay. You know what? I'll meet you. I'll meet you. Just hold on. Wait for me then. Wait for me. Wait for me. Yes, I'm coming. Hey, what am I going to do now? This guy. Okay then. Okay then. Let us be now, yeah? Just call me. Yeah? Call me in 15 minutes. Yeah? Yes, just wait now. I won't go meet this my baby now. You understand? Just call me in 15 minutes so that my wife will be with me. You tell me that I should come so that we meet. You understand? No problem, no problem. Just act now. No worry. Okay, okay. In 15 minutes, so no miss. I call my wife now. Man. Babe, babe.
Yes, honey. I'm coming.
Come now, come. Let's watch this program. This program they're interested.
Alright, I'm coming.
Let's watch it together.
Honey, what program are you seeing?
Man, this is very lovely. So that you enjoy it now. No, I like it.
Yeah,
I like
honey.
to watch the program.
But you know I'm cooking now. I'm cooking, so I'll just be going and coming, going and coming.
No problem, man. Let's watch. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, very funny people. Hey.
Honey, your phone is ringing.
My Kevin.
Yeah.
Oh, why did they call me now? Hello, Kevin. How far now? Hey, don't reach. Okay, no why I dey come. I even forgotten. No problem. But you know, say I need to tell my wife and I'm not gonna take permission. You know me now. Okay, okay, no worry. Baby,
Yes, honey.
it's Kevin. You
Yeah,
have
yes.
appointment. You had the conversation now.
Yeah, no problem.
So I'm free to go.
Sure now. You know Kelvin. Alright, let me just go and check my food while you get dressed, right?
Okay.
Okay. Honey.
Wow. Hey. God, oh. Oh, God. I think it is smart.
Now let's go and see Kelvin together. She is Kelvin's place you want to go. Let's go.
I thought you say you're cooking.
Honey, I'm done cooking. Leave that cooking already. Let's go. Sharp, sharp. And come back.
Why are you doing that? So I'm not going again. You can't do all this one now. Tell me say you want to go.
I don't know. Let's
I'm not going. Just
go.
eat. You can't do it.
This man, you thought you are smart. You thought I don't know. See, I'm 10 steps ahead of you. You want to go and see your side chick and you're lying. You want to go and see Kelvin. Oh yeah, now let's go and see Kelvin together. You know go again. If you think you just leave us and don't worry.
Yo!